Welcome everyone, my name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today I'm going to be doing a review that nobody asked for, but I want to do a review on these seasonings that I've been using over the last couple months. This is from a company called Reggae Spice that have done pretty good in my estimation at replicating authentic Jamaican jerk flavor. Stay tuned, see this information, check it out. There are three things that I really want to highlight or talk about. Three of my favorite things about these seasonings. Today I have the sweet and sassy wet marinade. That's their jerk marinade. Hot and spicy jerk marinade. There's the Booyah Jamaican seasoning. It's kind of like jerk seasoning, but you know, not really. It has jerk seasoning in it, but it's not just on its own. This is a flavor that they made all by themselves. So today the focus of this video is going to be the sweet and sassy wet marinade that I have used in a ton of my videos before on this channel. So when I talk about the ingredients that's in this seasoning, there are some traditionally Jamaican flavor ingredients that are in this seasoning. And just by looking at it, I can see the pepper flakes that are, I can see the allspice berries that are in there, I can see thyme leaves, the paprika, pepper, all that stuff is visibly noticed in the seasoning. And that's truly representative of Jamaican seasoning, Jamaican flavors that I cook with every time on this channel. Now I want to talk about the packaging. Like when I saw this online, this really drew my attention to this product. The logo, the colors, everything about this says Jamaica to me. So, you know, naturally I had to try it. I hadn't met anybody who had tried this before and told me about it. So when I saw this seasoning, it just kind of made me say, you know, this looks real Jamaican, I'm gonna check it out. I haven't seen much Jamaican seasonings that are really packaged like this, that look so authentic, and you know, just makes me want to try it out. The palm trees or coconut trees, the hummingbird, which is the national bird of Jamaica. It's just the thought that went into the packaging of this product really makes, you know, me want to just grab it and cook with it whenever I want some true Jamaican flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and create a playlist and link it down in the description and right up here in the cards of all the foods that I've cooked with this seasoning and made videos of. Of course, I'm gonna be adding more videos to that playlist as time goes on, because this is a seasoning that I'm using more and more. I've used it in soup, chili, to cook fish, pork, beef, chicken, of course, everything I've cooked this with. And this seasoning has not disappointed me yet. This 11-ounce tub of this seasoning is said to be able to prep 20 pounds of meat. And I've stretched this way further than that, and I am very heavy on seasoning, very heavy on flavor. You might have seen that. So, you know, it really goes a long way. This one's really good. The sweet and sassy is not spicy at all. It's spicy if you put too much in something like a stew, that you cook it for a really long time and those hot pepper seeds start to really break down in that food. But you know, just for regular everyday cooking, a little bit goes a long way, not too spicy. So definitely I think a lot of people can handle this seasoning. So thank you for watching this video today. The information about this seasoning is going to be in the description below. Also, there's going to be an affiliate link of where you can purchase this with a discount. So go ahead, try it out. If you're looking for true, authentic Jamaican flavor that you miss from home or you miss from your travels, then definitely give the seasoning a try. Let me know in the comments if you have tried it, or if you're going to try it. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.